All right, so we've printed the other half of this design, flipped the t-shirt over. We put some paper in between the shirt once again. I'm gonna flip this over. We've measured from the top collar down to where this design starts, 2 inches. So we're gonna try to keep that consistent. This time I'm gonna use a piece of paper to cover the top of the shirt to prevent it from burning. So it should look a little bit better.
Yeah.
We're gonna do exactly the same thing.
See, because this thing's at 400 degrees right here.
We're gonna go ahead and clamp it down. And it's gonna count down again from 40 seconds. And in 40 seconds, maybe we've got the front of our shirt done. So a couple of things to note, there is some setup involved in this, and we'll walk you through the printer that we use in a little bit, and there's some reversing of images that you'll need to do. But this is the overall process, and it's completely simple. It's very easy to do it.
I would also add, we did a bunch of tests too.
Yeah, and this is the most important part about this whole process, at least getting started. As you can see here, we have a test shirt. So we took a lot of different attempts at getting the colors that we actually wanted to be the final colors in this shirt before settling on this final heat press here. So all of it's in the experimentation. So now, it's pretty warm. And we get to see if we've done this okay. And there is our design. And the last bit of this is going to be putting the signature, because we want to say who it was designed by. We think this is a nice little touch. So we are going to add the signature down to the bottom of this shirt. Then we have our front side, we've got our back side, and we'll have our signature down below. We've got our very first t-shirt.
Cool. Can we help with that?
Yeah, let's slide this out. So we're just taking the cardboard out from in the middle of the shirt here. Look at that. Even with the cardboard, it still has a little bit of a color here. So we're going to need to wash these shirts when we're done before we actually put them up for sale.
How do you want to do this? You want to put it backwards? Like that?
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
Let's do that.
Yep.
We do this. Perfect. We take the piece. And this piece here was actually, on top of this. And what we'll do is just use that like that, right?
Yep.
Look right?
That looks great to me.
Okay.
We'll load it up. I'm just gonna go. I'm not gonna use it on top this time because it still did the yellow.
Okay.
So we'll just print this one directly.
Okay.
We'll have it go.
Okay.
All right. So same thing. We're gonna go ahead and press this one down. Another 40 seconds. And we're done.
And again, these were all based off some of the original designs that we worked out here, okay, that I sent you, that were worked off the original concept sketches. And again, I'll show you again how to put these into a template and how to load in, how to use Illustrator file to actually get these fine prints. But the logo actually came from Life Center, the website.
Yeah.
Right? And
Yep.
that came out really nice.
And there we have it.
Designer, signature.
We've got it. We got the front side, the signature at the bottom, and we've got the back side. So the last step in this process will be washing this shirt,
Yeah.
and then it's going to go up for sale.
Yeah, very cool.